people can get some knowledge from that as well, get some points to talk about, and then we can maybe take that learning to the next level. Yeah. Yeah. So okay, so we don't have too many people today. Anyway, so I think we can finish early a bit. We'll see how it goes. ठीक है. So I wanted to just a feedback maybe like playing a video like this. Is it helpful in the beginning? Atul sir, you want to say something?
I think it makes sense. लोगों के पास किसी भी टॉपिक पर रिसर्च एक्सपेक्टेड होता है कि if you're going to discuss Uber or Uber or whatever, people should do a pre-reading, but most of the time लोग भूल जाते हैं, याद नहीं होता. So this quick video is very helpful, so that we are not discussing the basic facts, so that we are not repeating the same thing which is already covered in the video. So now everything will be based on value add discussion. So very good, very helpful as for me.
Sure. Mr. Neeraj, you have any comment on this kind of setup?
Yeah, it's really nice idea, and Atul, I support Atul like whatever he is saying. That एक जो पहले एक रिसर्च करके आना मतलब बनता है ग्रुप डिस्कशन में, तो अगर वो मिस भी हुआ है तो एटलीस्ट पीपल हैव द एजेंडा इज ऑलरेडी सेट. This is what we are talking about today, and these are the things which are already like they are open in the market, and now we can start with our own thinking.
Debate on this. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Right.
Thank you. Keshav. Yes, Keshav. Your voice is breaking, I think.
Is it audible now? Hello.
Now it's better. Yes.
Yeah. Is it audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So actually, I read something about like this thing, but उतना समझ में नहीं आया था जितना अभी वीडियो से समझ में आ पाया. Because articles थे काफी, बस आर्टिकल से करंट सिचुएशन समझ में आई, बट एक जो बेसिक से बताया इन्होंने, that was something जो आगे डिस्कशन में भी हेल्प आएगा अभी. So it was good, nice initiative.
कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि too much information is available and too many videos are also available, right? So finding maybe the right video which can explain things in a very basic level is not so easy to find right away. So I was trying to find a video like that so that I can also understand, and then we can discuss.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Ravi Kumar, what do you think? Ravi, are you here?
Hi.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi Vishal. Hi everyone. Good evening.
Were you there when the video was played?
Yeah. So this was good. This is in fact good, I will say, in the beginning, because sometimes when we start the discussion, sometimes we also digress from the main topic. So this is something which in the beginning will give a overview like what we are going to discuss, and could be.
Yeah, sometimes I share in the group, but I think if I do this, पहले के 10-15 minute can be fruitful if there is no external presentation.
Yes, but depends, like video should be short if it is going.
Yeah, short. I think less than 10 minutes. Yeah, this I also agree. अगर ज़्यादा लंबा होता है तो it has to be entertaining like a cinema, otherwise it can get very, very, very boring. Anshuman, are you here? Yes, Anshuman. You saw this video a bit, like when I was playing this?
No, I just joined.
Okay. So the question is, I think we are discussing quickly, is playing like a 5 to 10 minute, let's say, case study video available on YouTube at the beginning of the discussion may help the audience.
That's good.
Yeah.
In the beginning, ज़्यादातर लोग आते भी नहीं है, तो वीडियो प्ले करना अच्छा है.
ज़्यादातर लोग आते भी नहीं है, तो वो थोड़ा सा एक engaging चीज भी है, food for thought, knowledge and things like that. And maybe that can also motivate people come on time.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, thank you. Yogesh?
Hello.
Yes, Yogesh, so the question, I think you also came late. So the question is, I played around a 10-minute video on VWork, selected from YouTube only, and that was just giving some ground about VWork to everyone. And so I was just asking, is that kind of video playing in the beginning, 5-10 minutes will be a good idea, I guess. According to you, do you have any suggestion?
Yes, yes, this is really good idea, and it will really be helpful. The persons who don't know exactly what exactly more about the topic, and जैसे मुझे भी वीवर्क का आज का टॉपिक था तो मुझे भी इतना नहीं था, तो मैंने अभी 10 मिनट पहले वीवर्क के बारे में थोड़ा गूगल सर्च
हाँ,
वगैरह किया, तो मुझे पता चला वीवर्क क्या है और
okay,
कैसे काम करती है। तो
sure, sure.
अगर वीडियो प्ले करेंगे तो फिर और ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि वीडियो में एक ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन कम टाइम पीरियड में देखने को मिल जाती है, और वर्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी कैचअप हो जाती है बजाय कि रीडिंग या उसके
Sure.
सुनने के।
Yeah, sure. So I think we all agree to this. So I'll try to do this every day group discussion. First 10 minute, 15-minute reserve for, let's say, a video if there is no external startup which is presenting. Okay. मतलब basically some presentation will go either YouTube से या बाहर से या जहाँ से भी, some knowledge. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so coming to our WeWork discussion. So WeWork is seen as a failed IPO, initial public offering. ठीक है, तो स्टॉक मार्केट में जब ये लिस्ट हुआ तो जो वैल्यूएशन एक्सपेक्ट किया गया था उसका 1/3 1/4 चला गया ये, which was a very disheartening thing for their investors, their VCs rather, venture capitalists. ठीक है, तो इसको एक चीज हमें what I think we should discuss is that all these investment banks or the VCs और जो भी है उन्होंने जितने भी सीरीज ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स उठाया, इतने सारे लोग गलत कैसे हो गए, लाइक क्या रीजन, व्हाट रीजन कैन लीड टू सो मेनी wrong valuations, and Atul sir has been doing this investment thing a lot, I think. Maybe you can throw some light, Atul sir, कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि इतने सारे लोग ने गलती कर दिया।
तो इन्वेस्टमेंट जो है, मैंने खुद का इन्वेस्टमेंट किया नहीं है ज्यादा, लेकिन हाँ मैंने जो स्टार्टअप इनक्यूबेटर टाइप का स्टार्ट किया बिजनेस अपना रेन वेंचर्स, तो उसमें यही काम करते हैं कि स्टार्टअप्स को अर्ली स्टेज में, जो बूटस्ट्रैपिंग के बाद उनको एंजल फंडिंग चाहिए होता है, या दैट्स व्हाट आई डू, उनको फिर इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान दिलाता हूँ, दैट्स व्हाट माय बिजनेस इज। लेकिन वीवर्क से सीखने वाली एक चीज, एक्सपीरियंस ये है कि अगर आपका कोई बड़े चाचा मामा भैया अगर आपको मिल गए और उनका आपके बिजनेस पे या आप पे दिल आ गया, तो आपका लाइफ थोड़ा कूल है, लेकिन बाद में नाराज हो गए तो तब भी कूल नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे वीवर्क के साथ यही हुआ कि वीवर्क का एक बिजनेस मॉडल तो अच्छा था, नया था, जैसे उबर को हम लोग बोलते हैं कि एडजेक्टिव हो गया, उबर इज एन एडजेक्टिव कि ऑन डिमांड इकोनॉमी के लिए उबर यूज करता है। वीवर्क इज आल्सो समथिंग सिमिलर बट ऑन डिमांड ऑफिस, कि मुझे अपना ऑफिस रियल एस्टेट में रेंटल या परचेज में या लीजिंग में नहीं खर्च करना, मतलब जितना जरूरत है आई विल यूज। तो वीवर्क का जो मॉडल वाज वेरी appealing, and I think the rest of the world is also moving toward that model कि on demand, how much whatever I need I will use that। तो मुझे 5 लोगों के लिए सीट चाहिए, तो रात दिन में बड़ा सा ऑफिस बना, उसके जगह I will just open a small lease or rent a place from WeWork। and साथ में WeWork का एक और अच्छा है, मैं WeWork के ऑफिस को यूज भी किया हूँ, I had a paid account also as a user। तो उनका एटमॉस्फेयर काफी अच्छा होता है। वंस यू गो टू वीवर्क, बहुत सारे लोग वीवर्क सैन फ्रांसिस्को के ऑफिस में जाइए तो चाय कॉफी वगैरह सब इंतजाम है, और ओवरऑल जो कोवर्किंग स्पेस है, देयर आर मेनी अदर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स देयर सिटिंग देयर एंड मेनी अदर इन्वेस्टर टाइप के लोग, तो वहां पे आपको एक एंटरप्रेन्योर सोशल कम्युनिटी मिल रहा है, नॉट अ ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड बट रियल वर्ल्ड कम्युनिटी, एंड काफी हाई एनर्जी क्राउड होता है। तो वीवर्क दैट पार्ट वाज ग्रेट। व्हाट did not work out for them was timing। कि किसी भी आइडिया का टाइमिंग होता है, आपको आइडिया को मार्केट में लाने का, उसको आईपीओ कराने का, तो अगर आप सही टाइमिंग पे नहीं करोगे तो फिर बाय दैट टाइम आपके बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स आ जाएंगे, मार्केट में सिचुएशन चेंज हो जाएगी, एंड दैट वाज व्हाट हैपेंड विद वीवर्क। वीवर्क मिस्ड ऑन द टाइमिंग पार्ट। if they had just done the IPO at the right time, maybe they would have been very successful, but उनके जो फाउंडर का प्रॉब्लम था, या सोम जी अपने उनके जो सॉफ्टवेयर के इन्वेस्टर जो सबसे उनका था, समहाउ आपस में वो सिनर्जी नहीं कर पाए। और जो एक और बात आपने दिखाया कि सीईओ जो है उनका अगर खुद में कंपनी में विश्वास नहीं है तो फिर तो कंपनी में किसी का ट्रस्ट नहीं है। तो जिस कंपनी, द कंपनी विच आई एम स्टार्टिंग एंड आई एम द सीईओ और फाउंडर, एंड इफ आई डोंट हैव द फेथ इन माय कंपनी, मैं अपने स्टॉक आईपीओ के पहले बेच रहा हूँ, तो दिस मींस कि आपको खुद पहले सबको सबसे ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन एसिमेट्रिक चीज होती है कि व्हाट द फाउंडर्स और द इनसाइडर्स नो, अदर्स डोंट नो। तो ही हैड द इंफॉर्मेशन व्हिच अदर्स डिड नॉट नो। तो उनका खुद का वैल्यूएशन था कि बस आईपीओ के पहले ही सोल्ड हिज स्टॉक, एंड दैट इज लाइक द डेथ नल ऑन द कंपनी, कि जब फाउंडर ही अपने कंपनी को पहले ही सोल्ड हिज स्टॉक आउट, that means he did not believe in it and he just wanted to cash it out. So that is, I think, the and company तो चल रही है, चलेगी, लेकिन वैल्यूएशन उनका काफी करेक्शन होते रहेगा। और अभी इकोनॉमी अचानक डाउन हो गई, अभी पूरे वर्ल्ड में, अभी अब ना कोरोना आ गया, अभी आईपीओ के लिए वो लोग डिले कर रहे हैं, कोरोना आ गया। अब ऑब्वियसली वीवर्क और इस तरह के जितने भी मॉडल ऑन डिमांड सबके सारे बिजनेस अफेक्ट होंगे, बट इस तरह के बिजनेस और ज्यादा अफेक्ट होंगे। तो वीवर्क के बहुत और बुरे दिन, बैड डेज अहेड फॉर वीवर्क इन माय व्यू, एंड लॉट ऑफ अदर कॉम्पिटिटर्स। People have learned the model, so many others will also are doing people have learned। किसी के पास एक छोटा सा बिल्डिंग है तो वो अपने को दे देगा। बहुत सारे ऐसे कंपनीज हैं, लेट्स से बड़ी कंपनीज एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, सिस्को या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, गूगल, मान ली उनके पास एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है और इकोनॉमी इज नॉट डूइंग दैट वेल, तो वो लोग अपने कुछ पार्ट को सबलेट कर देंगे। They will not have to do something like directly they can lease out to some small startups and others. So WeWork का model, I feel कि अभी is in big trouble at this time.
Yeah. So model is, I think one thing is model is easily copyable. It can be copied very easily. Yes, Mr. Neeraj, you have a comment?
हाँ, मैं वही मॉडल के बारे में बात करूंगा। एक्चुअली जो रियल एस्टेट के स्पेस में काफी तरह के पिछले कुछ टाइम में मतलब बिजनेस आए हैं। वन ऑफ देम इज एयरबीएनबी, अगर हम इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे बात करें, और अगर इंडिया के पर्सपेक्टिव में बात करें तो यहाँ पे भी कुछ लोगों ने उबराइजेशन किया है इसमें, जैसे ओयो है। और उससे पहले अगर एक डिफरेंट मॉडल था तो 99 एकर्स, विच इज क्वाइट सक्सेसफुल। लेकिन स्टिल आई फील कि 99 एकर्स और ओयो है, वहां पे कुछ ना कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी अप्लाई होती है। देयर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक कहाँ पे कौन से एरिया में किस तरह से प्राइसिंग मूव कर रही है, खासकर 99 एकर्स की बात करूं, और वहां पे बहुत सारा एनालिटिक्स इन्वॉल्व है डेटा के साथ। लेकिन जो ये मॉडल है वीवर्क का, ये इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी का बहुत ही कम पार्ट है। और उन्होंने अपनी जो ब्रांडिंग की, जैसा कि वीडियो में भी था, वो एक टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी के रूप में करी, जो कि बहुत ही गलत था। और मार्केट, जो स्टॉक मार्केट है, वो हर चीज को नंगा कर देती है। उन्होंने 1 मिनट में उस चीज को पकड़ लिया, क्योंकि ये बहुत इजीली कॉपी होने वाला मॉडल था। इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी एज सच कुछ ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व नहीं है। और अगर मैं गुड़गांव की ही बात करूं, यहाँ पे वीवर्क का ऑफिस है, और उसके साथ साथ मतलब उसी पैरेलल स्टैंडर्ड्स, जैसे वो अतुल सर बात कर रहे थे कि एनवायरनमेंट एंड ऑल, और कॉफी और ये वो जो सब होता है, उसी स्टैंडर्ड के 3-4 और अलग कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं। और उसके अलावा छोटे छोटे जो मतलब जैसे घर टाइप हैं, जो कि एक मेन रोड पे सपोज किसी अच्छे डीएलएफ में कहीं पे कोई बड़ा सा 500 गज का घर है, उन्होंने छोटे छोटे करके उन्होंने इस तरह के स्पेसेस बनाने शुरू कर दिए, और बहुत ही नॉमिनल रेट्स पे। फिर भी वीवर्क का रेट भी कोई ज्यादा खास नहीं है, लेकिन उनसे भी मच लोअर रेट्स पे उन्होंने उसी तरह का स्पेस देना और वो सब शुरू कर दिया। और जब एक स्टार्टअप अगर इस में आके अगर कोई काम करना चाहता है, तो उनके लिए वो सब मैटर नहीं करता है कि मेरे को कॉफी यहाँ की टेस्टी ज्यादा लगती है और वहाँ की कम लगती है। उनके लिए कॉस्ट ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहती है। और कहीं ना कहीं उसी से मुझे लगने लगा था कि अगर इतने छोटे लेवल पे भी यही सेम काम हो रहा है, तो इनको परेशानी आने वाली है। तो वही हुआ। और सबसे बड़ी बात, टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी है नहीं, बहुत इजीली मॉडल कॉपी होना शुरू हो गया छोटे लेवल पे, एंड दे गॉट स्टक इनटू इट।
So one thing was one thing what is coming here is model was easily can be copied, and small players started copying that kind of model, and maybe not made high standard, but let's say decent standard or a standard according to the local people. Yes, Ravi, बताइए.
Vishal, I differ from the point which is discussed right now. Okay, see, that is why I pinged in the group in the afternoon. Okay, the discussions. If you talk about WeWork, there's a different thing involved which make WeWork to fail at the time of IPO. As such, WeWork has not failed as a startup, as a company, but they failed when IPO was there. Okay, because
they failed the
and there is a
expectation.
different, yeah, as per the expression, but there is a different reason for that. Okay, as far as the co-working model is concerned, yes, that is why a co-working we can discuss one more day. Okay, because it requires different tractions to understand what this is and how this is going to affect the market, going to affect this segment. Okay, so in my point of view, WeWork, of course, it came into a real estate business with co-working model, but at that time in USA, they think themselves, or they categorize themselves into the IT segments, not into the real estate as a company. When they got the investment from SoftBank, okay, the founder, Mr. This Adam Newman, okay, see, I think this is the problem which he created, which any startup guy or entrepreneur need to learn from this case study. If you have a money, he was more focused on increasing the valuations of company, barring the revenue and the profit, or like a top line and bottom line scenario. He didn't consider that top line and bottom line scenario, and he was only creating a fudge in terms of getting the valuations of the company on a higher and higher and higher. And somehow he able to achieve it in terms of making it promoted in a way which, see, if you talk about Virgin, similar to the Virgin's Mr. Richard Branson, Virgin was also being promoted at that time in the same way as Mr. Adam Newman did. He did some kind of marketing which like take the attentions of the markets, and then valuations goes up. But meanwhile, the top line and bottom line was exactly opposite of what valuations was going up. So when IPO was announced and came into the markets, okay, people know about all this, because when research goes on for the purchasing, different company do research on the company, and then they came to know, okay, this is something which is wrong. And so the things came into the markets, and on the day of IPO, the company valuation was almost 43 billion, but it came to 7 billion when it goes into IPO. So almost loss of 40 billion, around 38 to 35 billion dollar has been happened. And so the SoftBank came into, and they removed the founders, and then they take over. So it was more of intention of the founder itself. He was not much involved into raising this company to a profitable positions, but he was more of taking out the money from the company and enjoying his life.
So, Mr. Ravi, if you can just help to understand कि बिना bottom line top line के ये लोग कैसे मतलब वैल्यूएशन को बढ़ाते हैं, या कैसे मतलब जो इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर्स हैं वो भी कैसे, ऐसे आदमी तो होते नहीं, वो भी खेले खाए हुए आदमी होते हैं, उनको कैसे वो कन्विंस कर लेते हैं? मेरे को, if you can just throw some light, you have raised this point.
I put you in this way. Okay, so what they initially did, okay, they were not having much of sales of the products which we are having, but they hired almost 100 buildings at that point of time on lease for 10 years, 15 years. So huge amount has been invested on leasing. Okay, now they have furnished the buildings, they have opened up, and the consumption rate was not much. See, if in real estate what happens, investment is very high. When you are investing, investment is very high. You are leasing a building at higher at a price, then you are developing that building into the co-working space, working space, and then you are selling it to the customers on a daily basis or monthly basis. So I am putting money into leasings a lot. Now I am driving a business out of which business may run for a month. Like let's say in a co-working space, if I as a company hire maybe a seat I can hire for a 5 or 6,000 rupees for a month only. So I am not sure my customer going to stick with me for a month or for a year or for a half month or for a quarter. So the way I'm expending my money in terms of leasing the property, which was way higher than the amount which I am getting. So when the IPO was on that year, the company top line was 1.9, whereas company was loss in 1.3.
Yeah.
Am I clear, Neeraj?
Yeah.
Yeah, a
This
bit
was
like
Atul sir maybe can explain also. Maybe let me add a bit first. जैसे कि क्या है कि it's the bloated kind of like a bubble kind of creation. ठीक है,
yes.
घर से समझते हैं, घर से समझ सकते हैं इसको. एक घर मैंने लिया समझिए 1 लाख में, ठीक है, और फिर उस घर या जमीन rather better, हाँ, easy to understand. So उस जमीन का 10% let's say I sold after 1 year or so, again in 1 lakh only. So now the valuation of that whole land is become 10 lakh because 10% I paid 1 lakh, right? It's a simple game. Okay.
so.
Then
Vishal,
after let's say
here
1 year or so,
I have a point here.
yeah.
अभी हम जो एग्जांपल की बात कर रहे हैं ना, it's asset creation. मतलब at the end you have something in your hand, जो कि कैपिटल के रूप में हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पास एक एटलीस्ट हमारे हाथ में एक एसेट है. सपोज मतलब जो ये वाला मॉडल है वी वर्क वाला भी, अगर वो ये कहते हैं कि मैंने ये जो पार्ट है जिसमें मैंने ये डेवलप किया है, फर्निश किया है, मैंने ये खरीद भी लिया है साथ में, और 10 साल तक मैं इससे कमाऊंगा, जो तुम कमाऊंगा वो तो है ही, लेकिन 10 साल बाद इस जो इस रियल एस्टेट की या इस एरिया की जो कीमत होगी वो भी मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी एसेट है, क्योंकि विद टाइम मैं यहाँ पे इतनी एक्टिविटी करूंगा तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे रियल एस्टेट के प्राइस भी राइज हो जाएंगे. तो मेरे को जो समझ आता है वो एसेट क्रिएशन तो जरूर समझ आती है, लेकिन जस्ट बाय लीजिंग आउट समथिंग एंड चर्निंग मनी आउट ऑफ इट और फिर उसको इतना बड़ा बबल बनाना, वो थोड़ा मतलब बिलीव कराना किसी को मुझे बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है.
तो वो बिलीव करा लिया इन्होंने, वही इनका प्लस पॉइंट था.
That was the point of Adam Newman. Okay, yeah. When SoftBank came for the investment for just 1 billion, okay, he took out 14 billion from SoftBank.
Yeah.
Now imagine they came to just invest 1 billion and they signed a deal of $14 billion.
ये हमारे लाइफ में भी होता होगा कहीं ना
happens,
कहीं. If you think about it, we go to a shop with 100 rupee in our pocket, but end up doing a shopping of 1,000 rupees, right? So very similar. Yes, Mr. Ravi, yes, please continue.
Yeah, and why this happens? See, the timing was very purposeful, instrumental in this deal. See, in 2000, this company came into 2010. 2008 in America, 9/11, this one, Lehman Brothers, that down happened. Okay. So at that time, real estate was very down. One more company was there, IWG, International Work Group. They were into co-working space from beginning. Okay, they are the company who are leader, like initiated this co-working space model. So at that time, real estate prices was very low, and then SoftBank came in. He thought good business to be getting done right now. I can make the investment. I can make out good money because real estate was down. So he started leasing out. He started taking because as he got the money, Adam Newman, he started leasing the buildings very quickly. And every now and then you will see WeWork was coming in, and then people started like thinking, yes, there is a business in it and I need to invest and all that. So by that, valuations goes on. Whereas the sales was not happening as per the investment which was happening in terms of creating the assets. So that is why it's just an IPO failure, but the business is not failed. It's working fine right now, and maybe due to COVID-19, it will have an effect overall on the co-working space itself. But as of WeWork, going fine right now.
मेरी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर नाम की कोई चीज नहीं थी इस बिजनेस में कि they were making some assets out of it. It was just OPEX business, operation expenditures थे कि ठीक है आज ये बनाया.
No. If you understand co-work, because I am into that business, so I tell you.
Okay, sure.
Co-work business, huge investments took place of two people. One, the builder who has a building. Okay. he rent out his complete 6th floor or 8th floor building to a person who is going to have a co-work, mutual co-work. Okay. So he lease out his entire building to that person's. Now that person's to just make it a co-working space, like making it a full-fledged co-working space, he has to spend at least 3 to 4 CR for a particular building, one building. Because I am there into building automations and I am doing the projects on a regular basis. So I know how much investments a company do just to make a 3 floor or 4 floor buildings into complete office working space, which any IT company right now works. So it's almost 3 to 4 crore it takes.
लेकिन रवि जी वो बिल्डिंग जिसने बिल्डर ने बनाई वो बिल्डिंग हमेशा उसी की रहने वाली है, वो न्यूमैन की नहीं होने वाली है ना।
करेक्ट
तो वो
करेक्ट
तो न्यूमैन के लिए तो वो ओपेक्स बिजनेस ही है, उसके लिए
No,
कैपेक्स तो नहीं हुआ ना वो।
but when you lease, you have to pay the amount. See, for a single building, when you are leasing, you have to pay at least 1 CR, 2 CR, 3 CR, 4 CR for a particular building for 10 years, 15 years. See, simply for 10 years, if you hire, if you take 2 BHK or 3 BHK in Bangalore, you have to pay at least 10 lakh rupees at upfront. Leasing is that how you pay. You have to pay that upfront money.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Mr. Ravi, you can maybe explain a bit more. It's like I think banks also. I think a lot of places like this who rent.
Yeah,
Does a lease.
this is what happened to most
Corporate
of the
office also does
real
the
estate
same.
company. See,
Yeah.
even one of the time, Atul sir would be making a more point into that because he had much interactions with those Unitech guy or maybe Shahara Group. Okay, they hyped themselves as the project to the markets, and market started investing to that project. Okay, but at some point of time they run out of the money and that project's unable to, they do not have money to complete that project, and that is what this real estate guy get into trouble, and then people who invest initially unable to get the flat on time or maybe not even.
Since Ravi ji has asked me to comment, I will comment. I will make something of exactly what Uber Airbnb is not, and that is a guy called Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett's strategy क्या है? He invests over a company with lots and lots of research. एक balance sheet और इतने detail में examine करते हैं, and then he tracks it and then he invests. तो वो है value. उन्होंने किसी company पे, किसी उसके founders पे, they invest a lot of that before putting the money, and then invest for years. मैं देखिए long-term investor. What Uber and Airbnb and all this, उसमें क्या होता है? They're more like जो trading में करते हैं ना कि we are doing short term trade asset का मतलब stock खरीदा बेचा. तो similarly venture capital में उस तरह का trading business कि हमने लगाया फिर उसका valuation बढ़ाया फिर बेच दिया. तो that business. तो ये जो business है मेरे ख्याल से it's not long lasting. Most of the people they are short term people and there is a high chance of failure. Really lasting success comes when somebody goes by the fundamental of the company, the industry on which they think there's a long-term potential, market size अच्छा है, founders ठीक हैं, company के values, overall things. So based on that, if somebody makes an investment, so for that you have to wait for maybe at least 5 years, 7 years, 10 years to get there. But if you're just doing for short-term thing, that's almost like a short-term high risk, high return, and high loss. All this come together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but like just like buying flat, selling flat, buying, selling, buy, selling. Okay, there's a question coming, Mr. Karthike. You can speak up. Are you here, Mr. Karthike? Okay. Maybe he's not here. Okay, so he's just type.
Okay, so Vishal, I
yes,
will bring
Ravi,
2 more points to that particular which I was mentioning. Okay, see the intention of Adam Newman, who was not clear in terms of sustaining this brand in terms of profitability. Okay, the mistake which he did was to investing a lot of into just making the propositions in terms of raising the valuations. Second, see, a few are things which is prominent as far as his intention is concerned in terms of raising this company from the start. Okay, see, he got the trademark for we work as we got the trademark, and then he sold the same trademark to his company for 5 million
Mhm.
just to take out the money from the company. Again, he invested same running that company. He invested a lot of the company money which he get from the SoftBank or the investors into different small companies.
Yeah.
So all those things which they here most 60 to 70% was the intention of Adam Newman, which led them not to be like fall on the IPO part rather than business model.
And another point on that, Ravi, I would like to add is, and I have been saying this in almost all the investor meeting is, people don't invest on your business plan and business model. People invest on the team.
Yes.
And the team's past track record. What have that he or she done? Past track record could be as simple as your education. You are from Stanford, Harvard, or IIT, IIM, or it could be that you did 4 startups, 5 startups successfully and failed, but you have a track record. So most investors, really all good investors, what they do is they invest on the track record and the CV of the founders, the team, founders as well as the management team. You might be not that great background, but if you're able to somehow get some really good people into your team, then also investors will be interested in you, because somehow you're able to sell your idea to your team. If I'm not able to sell my idea to my classmate, my family members, my friends, then how will I go and sell it to the consumers, the customers and investors? So that's the most fundamental part in my view in the business, the founders and the management.
Right.
WeWork did not have this guy Newman, was let's say the con artists like Subrata Rai Sahara and all that. So that's where the mistake from, I would say, SoftBank founder was there. I mean, I wish he had done a better due diligence on the founder and any other investors who invested in.
Yeah, and also I think I have also seen 2 kinds of people generally. One who is thinking long term, I mean, like about the whole company, and one who might be just thinking about himself, herself, kind of himself only. So वो चीज होते हैं कि इसको बड़ा करो, वैल्यूएशन बढ़ाओ और बेच दो.
And the second point, when the founder or CEO or like MD got into a mindset like I don't want to run company for a long time and just want to take out the money from it, see, of course the company goes down. See, right now the great example happening in India itself is the Jet Airways. It's all got default just because of the MD. Again, Malia Sahab, they also did default just because of his intentions.
One more example, Yes Bank.
You can do separate case studies on this. Yeah, but yeah, this is
Yes Bank case is slightly different, I will say. Yes Bank case is slightly different. It happens because of one of the guy who got died, and then this guy was not much into Yes Bank operations in terms of financial, and then they started taking out money and so.
Yeah, उसका करते हैं फिर से case study Yes Bank का भी.
And one reference I would like to give on, since we're talking on this topic, opposite of WeWork, all the good companies, because no point talking about the frauds and the scams. There's a very famous, one of the topmost guy, Jim Collins' book, Good to Great. And he has written in this book, Good to Great, he analyzed over hundreds, many top companies across the world, across at least USA. Why did that company lasted for 50 years, 100 years, and why did that company just did not last more than 5-10 years? So many companies have been shut down. Circuit City was a big retail electronic chain. Many other companies they analyzed. Why did that company did not last? But what is something? But Best Buy is still running. So what is the key difference between companies which are going to be good to great and which companies are not going to be lasting? And I just want to give a positive side to that. If you want to avoid the WeWork type of as an investor or even as an employee, I would like to evaluate the company on those parameters on which Jim Collins has defined what is a great company, or which are signs of a great company. It's a very, very interesting. And greatness, he has defined financial performance and all is a great important part of the financial performance. How is the financial performance so far of the company? All those things are important. Company, and I'll just read it out if it's people are okay with that. He says 7 characteristics of good to great companies. Level 5 leadership, humble, hard to driven, all that. First who, then what, as in who are the right people, which I said earlier. Confront the brutal facts, as in the, don't give up. Hedgehog concept. All of the culture of discipline, technology accelerators, the flywheel, all these 7 concepts, if you can evaluate any company, why? Then using that methodology, and it's not analyzed for one company, many companies, hundreds of companies, and over a long period of time. And then come up with this model of how to evaluate a company which will have a lasting success. And some of the great companies which are really good to great, they were in the major stock exchanges 50 years back, and they're still there. They overlast many decades and many even longer if they're a great company. That is exactly what WeWork did not have. It's just the opposite of a great company. A very smart guy, manipulative guy. Somehow
Yes.
he's able to fool many people, smart people. Mr. Matasai is not an idiot. He has also had a lot of success, a rich guy. So the very ability to fool such a smart people, rich people, that itself means he was a very smart guy. A cunning guy. But he was able to fool many people. But the problem is now nobody will even touch him.
Yeah. So, I think it's also getting towards that sales, the marketing, the sales, the skill. कि आप एक का 10 कैसे बेच सकते हैं, ठीक है. यहाँ पे बड़े बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स थे, सीरीज ऑफ फंड उठा. एंड there's one more thing that happens. It's usually this series game कि एक ने कर दिया, उसको देखकर दूसरा भी कर देता है, तीसरा भी कर देता है. The due diligence is not that great. It's more because of referral now. So that referral keeps on jacking up the valuation. ठीक है, इसलिए बहुत सारे startup are running after institutional investment, even though they may have the family money or their own money or maybe something like that, but they still want that institution का investment, क्योंकि उससे एक बार हो जाता है तो आपका थोड़ा सा branding भी हो जाता है. फिर वो भी करेंगे आपका branding, आप भी करेंगे अपना branding. It becomes like a kind of like a national, international level company. So it helps in the branding also. Very similar, a bit similar to taking home loan instead of despite of having the money. क्योंकि उससे क्या है कि वो बैंक ड्यू डिलिजेंस कर देती है उस रियल एस्टेट कंपनी का somehow. अतुल सर, आप इस पे कुछ कमेंट करेंगे जो मैंने बोला अभी? एग्री डिसएग्री?
हाँ, तो होम लोन पे भी और ओवरऑल इस मार्केट में ही कि यू हैव टू सी कि कहाँ पे वो जो आप जिससे भी घर खरीद रहे हो, तो जो बड़ी बड़ी बैंक्स क्या करती हैं, दे बेसिकली दे हैव अ रिस्क टीम होती है. कितने जो भी इन्वेस्टर है ना, तो उनका वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वेल पेइंग टीम्स है द रिस्क टीम. जो रिस्क टीम का काम ही होता है कि मार्केट रिस्क एंड फाइनेंशियल रिस्क एंड ऑपरेशनल रिस्क, सारे रिस्क पैरामीटर्स पे. एक मेरे एक्चुअली लास्ट वीक किसी स्टैनफोर्ड के बंदे ने मुझे अप्रोच किया था. एक अपने उसके कंपनी है, मेरे प्रीवियस कंपनी में वाज अ चीफ रिस्क ऑफिसर समथिंग लाइक दैट वर्चूसा में. तो ही वाज डूइंग समथिंग ऑन रिस्क पे ही बिजनेस ही उसका पूरा. तो रिस्क को हम लोग पूरा भूल जाते हैं. ज्यादातर टाइम वी गो बाय द फाइनेंशियल्स कि व्हाट इज द बैलेंस शीट एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड इनकम. बट रिस्क का ड्यू डिलिजेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. रिस्क के लिए बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स आते हैं, एंड आई थिंक रिस्क का ठीक से लोगों ने असेसमेंट नहीं किया WeWork में, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच गेट्स मिस्ड आउट वेरी ऑफन. एंड रियल एस्टेट का जो आपने एग्जांपल है उसमें भी होता है कि जिसकी प्रॉपर्टी है जो बेच रहा है, तो उसका पास्ट ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड क्या रहा है, उसके पास खुद में बैंक बैलेंस क्या है. यस बैंक में भी सेम. यस बैंक के जो मिस्टर तलवार थे, तो उन्होंने कैसे ठगा, तो बाद में वो तो पता चल गया कि बहुत सारे लोगों को ठगा, लेकिन बाद में पता चलना इज नो गुड ना. आपको पता पहले करना होगा बिफोर you invest, and that is where many people miss out on.
और एक और चीज होता है इसमें, like lot of startups get invested and like 90-95% of them fail, and investors know this, right? WeWork के केस में क्या हो गया कि it was the same, like, I mean, investment was happening in the same startup again and again and again and again and again. Then ultimately that expectation failed, I think. Not like I think Mr. Ravi was saying that WeWork hasn't failed. WeWork is still there and all. It was just that valuation जो expected था उससे one fourth चला गया, जिससे that expectation hurted, and that hurted SoftBank a lot. They had to buy back the share after IPO, and उससे क्या हुआ कि they would have planned to use that money for getting more investors, which is what I understand. So usually this investment banks also VC जो भी होते हैं, ये भी इनका अपना पैसा तो नहीं होता है, ये भी पैसे लेते हैं लोगों से, तो इनका भी ब्रांड खराब हो जाता है इस सब चक्कर में, राइट? तो इनका जो प्लान था या इन्होंने जो सपने दिखाए थे, अब वही था ना, एक ने WeWork ने सॉफ्टवेयर को अपना सपना दिखाया, सॉफ्टवेयर ने अपने लाइक एलिमेंटल इन्वेस्टर्स को सपना दिखाया, पहला सपना टूटा तो सबका सपना टूट गया। तो ओवरऑल बहुत हल्ला हुआ, बहुत ये वो हुआ, जो भी रोना धोना हुआ, इतना सारा केस स्टडी बन गया, ये हो गया वो हो गया। बट हो सकता है कि आई मीन लॉट ऑफ
उससे एक और बहुत बड़ा फर्क रहा है विशाल की सॉफ्टबैंक के जो फाउंडर ने एक विजन फंड बनाया अभी $100 बिलियन का विजन फंड, $100 बिलियन, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट फंड एवर। बट वो विजन फंड में भी प्रॉब्लम में चल रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ कि उनका वीवर्क का इतना बैड एक्सपीरियंस था। तो जो विजन वर्क के जो बाकी इन्वेस्टर बोल रहे हैं कि जब तक ये वीवर्क इशू सॉफ्टवेयर का नहीं सॉर्ट होता तो हम विजन फंड में पैसा क्यों डालें। पास्ट रिकॉर्ड आपका अच्छा था, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे इन्वेस्ट किया, रिटर्न दिया, बट अब उस वीवर्क के चलते उनका जो अगला जो वीसी फंड भी जो है ना $100 बिलियन वाला, वो फंड काफी ट्रबल में आ गया है।
और इस वजह से आई थिंक एक और कंपनी को बहुत फर्क पड़ा, ओयो जिसको भी बहुत सारा ले ऑफ करना पड़ा, एंड लाइक सॉफ्टबैंक इज ऑल आफ्टर देम कि तुम्हारा गेट प्रॉफिटेबल, अदरवाइज यू विल आल्सो बिकम प्रोबब्ली अनदर WeWork और समथिंग। सो वो जाता है ना, एक खराब है वो दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है, अभी सॉफ्टबैंक वैसे ही हो गया। सो अब जब दूध जला तो वो तो जो बेनिफिट उठाना तो उठा लिया उन्होंने, राइट? अब जब छाछ फूक फूक के पिया जा रहा है तो इट्स लाइक द फ्यूचर इज फ्यूचर अदर कंपनीज आर सफरिंग काइंड। यस मिस्टर नीरज, आप बताइए।
But still Oyo model is more sustainable than this, क्योंकि Oyo का जो है वो मतलब वो बहुत हाई क्लास सेगमेंट में काम कर रहे थे। Oyo का जो है वो सेगमेंट बहुत ज्यादा वैरायटी में है, और इट्स जस्ट उबराइजेशन का ही है। इन्होंने भी एग्रीगेशन किया है, छोटे शहर से लेके बड़े शहर तक हर जगह, हर मतलब आप बिल्कुल डीप हरियाणा के किसी छोटे से कस्बे में भी जाओगे, मेरे सोनीपत के पास एक छोटा सा कस्बा, किसी ने सुना भी नहीं होगा, खरखोदा के नाम से, मैंने वहां पे भी ओयो रूम्स देखे हैं। तो उनका जो मॉडल है वो स्टिल बहुत ज्यादा सस्टेनेबल है, क्योंकि खरखोदा में वैसे कोई होटल ढूंढने जाएगा उसको टॉर्च लेके ढूंढने से नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन ओयो की साइड पे उसको तुरंत कमरा मिल जाएगा अगर किसी को रुकना है रात को। तो वो ज्यादा सस्टेनेबल मॉडल है स्टिल। लेकिन हाँ, बात बिल्कुल सही है, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एपिसोड एवरीवन इज सफरिंग राइट नाउ, और थोड़ा सा लोगों का रियल एस्टेट में
अभी पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, अभी तो दिख रही है। यस मिस्टर रवि।
इसी पे विशाल, मैंने जस्ट गूगल किया कि अभी विजन फंड मासायोशी सोम का क्या चल रहा है, तो 15 कंपनीज उनके बैंकरप्ट हो गई जिसमें उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया था विजन फंड में। तो इससे लाइक क्या कहते हैं, इफेक्ट, कास्केडिंग इफेक्ट, कि आपका एक बैठा दूसरा बैठा, या मे बी इकोनॉमी की हालत होगी जो भी हो, तो बहुत सक्सेस है उनके पास। 100 बिलियन मतलब बिलियंस डॉलर हैं, लेकिन जो नए इन्वेस्टर्स हैं या नए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं या नए एम्प्लॉइज हैं, दे हैव टू वेरी वेरी एक्स्ट्रा कॉसेस कि मातायोशी जी का, सोम जी का तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बट आपके तो करियर पे बहुत बड़ा ब्लॉक लग जाएगा। तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट इट। और जैसे नीरज ने इसका ओयो का एग्जांपल दिया, ओयो का जो मिस्टर अग्रवाल, हितेश अग्रवाल, राइट? तो he had approached to one of my mentors, persons I've been working with very closely, Asha Butwani. So she had not funded Oyo, but recently एक function जब सिलिकॉन वैली में हुआ था, तो ओयो के जो उन्होंने ओयो होटल यहाँ पे सिलिकॉन वैली में, इतना ज्यादा अच्छा उनका मॉडल सक्सेस हुआ कि वो तो एयरबीएनबी टाइप मॉडल की जगह उन्होंने ओयो होटल कैलिफोर्निया बे एरिया में बहुत अच्छा सा होटल, बहुत ही लग्जरी रिजॉर्ट, सॉरी लास वेगस में बहुत बड़ा एक ओयो होटल रिजॉर्ट किया। उसी में हमारा पूरा फंक्शन एक था, बहुत बड़ा फंक्शन था, तो उसी ओयो होटल में ही हमने किया. तो business models keep changing and evolving, but fundamentals don't. So few fundamentals are the character and track record of the founders in the team, and again the business fundamentals की कितना track record है. मतलब कि ये valuation का जो hype का game है up and down, उस पे नहीं जाना चाहिए. It's also about कि long term, and that's why really good financial people they get paid for कि वो पूरे डिटेल में जाते हैं, एनालाइज करते हैं कि उसका कितना बैलेंस शीट कैसा है, उसका रेवेन्यू पिछले 5 साल का 10 साल का कैसा था, ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड ट्रेंड कैसा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है, स्टेडी है. तो ऑल दोस ड्यू डिलिजेंस की जो बात करते हैं, दैट इज अगेन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
या सो इवन बैंक्स जब बिजनेस लोन देते हैं ना, दे डू प्रोबब्ली मोर ड्यू डिलिजेंस देन आई डोंट नो maybe some startup investor. Yes, Mr. Ravi.
So here I would like to put 2 points. One regarding valuations. ठीक है. So valuations में एक बहुत बड़ा percentage of portions brand का रहता है. Brand value also put up higher valuations in terms of if you increase your brand value, then your valuations will ultimately increase, not in terms of increasing the financials only, but if you increase the brand value also, your overall valuations of your company will increase. तो वैल्यूएशंस में बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स आते हैं. फाइनेंशियल इज वन ऑफ द फैक्टर. सेकंड इज द ब्रांड, और भी 3-4 फैक्टर्स हैं उसके कैलकुलेशंस के ऊपर में ब्रांड वैल्यूएशंस के. तो ब्रांड वैल्यू इज आल्सो प्ले अ वेरी गुड रोल इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग द वैल्यूएशंस. सो दैट इज व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टार्टअप्स हु गेट समथिंग एंड देन दे हायर द मार्केटिंग कंपनी just to make their brands known to the people so that their valuations will goes up, so that the investor can look in and then they can put up money inside.
Yes, it can be seen as acquiring the company. Brand is acquired as such.
Right.
Brand up mera ho gaya.
Correct. And
They pay for the brand.
so that, like we, if you see about the acquisitions happened for Yahoo at one point of time, this acquisitions not happened due to financial things. Yahoo had a less financial, but still at one point of time they were getting almost 30-40 billions for their this one. But they finally, when their valuations goes down due to brand recall and brand image, they got sold in just 4 million and 5 billion.
Yeah, it's also sometimes the timing जो बात किया था ना.
Yes, so that is what I was talking. It's not only financials which give the company valuations at high. The brand value itself put up some financials to the brand valuations itself. That is the point. Second point regarding Neeraj Oyo, I would like to put up. See, Oyo is altogether a different, though they are into retail segments, but they are more of like Amazon or Flipkart. If you analyze the model, they are more into Amazon and Flipkart, where they are just offering a platform where they can generate the leads, and those leads can be shared with all the people who have their own hotels or rooms or something. So this is the basic model of Oyo, where they do not invest much of money into the leasing or much of hiring the hotel rooms or something, but they have a platform where they have attractions of the lead generations, and then those leads are being shared with the people who are maintaining that hotel. So hotels rooms or hotels itself are not being hired or given money directly from the Oyo, but they keep a part of it and then they share the part of that things with the owner.
Kind of they sell, they standardize the brand.
Yes, so they went down right now not because of the model. They went down because the services which they promised to like give to the customers, which right now they're not able to give. So most of the customers now are not preferring Oyo as of.
Correct. So WeWork और Oyo में है एक customer centric है, एक investor centric है. Yes,
yes.
You were saying something.
And the beautiful things that Oyo, the Ritesh did, see, as if now it was a Oyo company, but now they have distributed all their aligned company. Now Oyo is into different segments, as you know. It's into real estate, it's into PG, it's into Oyo Life as a Oyo Life. It's into co-working also.
Yes.
It's into marriage ceremony arrangements. So different segments they have, but all they have made now as LLP.
तो इस पे जो है ना कि रवि जी ने जो पॉइंट बोला, nothing succeeds like success. So let's say ओयो ने अपने इस बिजनेस में काफी पैसा कमा लिया, ब्रांड बना लिया, काफी अच्छा ब्रांड बना लिया, तो देन उसी ब्रांड को उन्होंने अल्टीमेटली रिलेटेड सेगमेंट में, अगर आपके पास होटल का बिजनेस है या हॉस्पिटैलिटी का बिजनेस है, तो मैरिज मार्केट और बहुत सारे इवेंट्स मार्केट, बहुत सारे अलग अलग अलाइड बिजनेस में भी एक्सपेंशन काफी आसान है, डाइवर्सिफाई करना. एंड what is the cost for one business is the income for the business. तो इनका काफी आपस में भी सिनर्जी हो जाता है कि इवेंट्स भी कर रहे हैं, होटल भी कर रहे हैं, खाना भी कर रहे हैं, फूड्स भी, फूड भी देंगे हमारा, खाना भी हमारा, होटल का वेन्यू भी हमारा, एंटरटेनमेंट भी हमारा. तो ये जो आपस की जो सिनर्जीज है, जो कि बड़ी बड़ी जो कंपनीज होती है, जैसे मैं काम करता जी में, तो कॉन्ग्लोमरेट्स की या रिलायंस का एग्जांपल हम लोग जानते हैं कि कॉन्ग्लोमरेट्स का कभी कभी सिनर्जीज भी हो जाता है कि वन बिजनेस सपोर्ट्स द अदर बिजनेस एंड द अदर बिजनेस सपोर्ट्स द अदर बिजनेस. एक बिजनेस दूसरे बिजनेस को हेल्प कर देगा, उनका बहुत सारा कॉस्ट शेयर हो जाता है, एंड बहुत सारा जो उनका फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट है शेयर्ड हो गया, तो वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज द ओनली कॉस्ट द अदर बिजनेस हैव टू incur.
Yes, of course, sir. That is what we see in lockdown right now. The ITC got grouped with Domino's just to deliver their product to the customers. So a lot of the these things happens right now in lockdown.
Yes, तो ये तो एक पार्टनरशिप का आपने एग्जांपल दिया, like what Atul sir is saying is more of using the same logo, same brand, and start opening, different branches like
branches. Yes.
हाँ, related, ठीक है. क्योंकि एक चीज और है, I think सीखने का चीज है, let's say WeWork versus OYO अगर लेते हैं, तो आपका ब्रांड एक बार बिल्ड हो गया है ना, उसके बाद आप उस ब्रांड के अंडर अदर प्रोडक्ट्स भी लॉन्च करना शुरू करेंगे, तो पीपल विल हैव द ट्रस्ट बिकॉज दे ऑलरेडी ट्रस्ट दैट ब्रांड. ठीक है, सो इट्स इजियर. बट बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं ना कि एक नया प्रोडक्ट है उसको अलग ब्रांड बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, फिर तीसरा कर रहे हैं, उसमें वो प्रीटी मच मर जाते हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि दे आर नॉट सक्सेसफुल यूजुअली, बट if you can use that same logo and try to like revolve around that dependency companies kind of, it's easier, and then it also adds more to the brand that ये brand है, ये भी करता है, ये भी करता है, like Amazon जैसे, right? Amazon पता नहीं 10 चीजें करते हैं अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में, pretty much mutually exclusive also and some dependent also. I mean, human is the only common connection maybe in most of them. ठीक है, तो वो एक अच्छा practice है, I think. This I also learned with time that if I have already built a brand, let's say learning while traveling, so I should start let's say doing alternate business. Like अभी हम लोग एक प्री स्कूल पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो LWT प्री स्कूल, तो we are using the same logo. It's easy because सब लोग जानते हैं, मतलब जितने जगह इंडिया में हमने इवेंट्स वगैरह कराए, स्पॉन्सर किया, व्हाटएवर, वो लोगो ऑलरेडी माइंड में है. अब उनको लगेगा कि नहीं, यही कंपनी है, यही फाउंडर है या यही टीम है जो एक प्री स्कूल में भी काम कर रहा है, so we can go with that kind of. So it's a learning for all of us. I think WeWork ने वैसा कुछ नहीं किया, वो just वो standardization, not standardization, pretty much like leasing and standardization of properties करता चला गया. वो leasing की वजह से भी I think they had to like, it was not so asset light, it was a bit once asset heavy rather, right? And not even asset heavy, I will say more like asset complicated, क्योंकि एसेट तो उन्होंने ओन किया नहीं, वो लीज था, लॉन्ग टर्म जो भी था, 30-40 साल 20 साल व्हाटएवर, तो लीज के लिए लिए, और फिर आप उसको स्टैंडर्डाइज भी कर रहे हो, तो लीज जब खत्म होगा फिर यू डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट सम इन्वेस्टर्स थॉट, स्पेशली एट द आईपीओ, बिकॉज आईपीओ में आपका बहुत ऑडिट होता है, अच्छे से ऑडिट होता है, जितना भी हमने बात किया ये है वो है. आईपीओ वाले लेवल पे आपका अच्छा बता, उस वक्त आप बेवकूफ नहीं बना सकते, और सेल्समैन skill is going to like become a normal, धराशायी हो जाएंगे आप एक झटके में, तो वो एक है. हाँ ये हाँ ये सर, अभी आप you want to add something on this?
Yeah, very true, Vishal. Your point is very correct. Like in IPO, a lot of research happened from different companies who are going to invest. Okay, so a lot of things came in. Beautiful. One more example which is there in India itself is the Reliance Power. Due to the hype at that time of Reliance telecommunications which came into the markets, at the same time they just encased that Reliance name in terms of Reliance Power IPO. the rates which initially was much more high, but when they launched, almost 400 rupees down was there on the first day itself. The share prices when opened. Recently, same things happened with one more company. I am forgetting the name.
Well, Jio also. I mean, Reliance, like, you know, the location, even the personal brand helps. The business brand helps the personal brand, and the personal brand helps another business brand. I mean,
Yes.
another business under the same brand. So same, you know, it's like a chain reaction. Acha, Mr. Vinith, I think I see you coming every day, but probably didn't get much chance to speak. आज आप थोड़ा बोलिए. What do you think about this? Are you here, Vinith?
Actually, yes,
बताइए.
I am enjoying listening actually. I don't have much exposure in business.
Correct. Yeah, आपने
That
एक बार I think पूछा था कि I want to know about startup and things like.
yes, that I have 17-year experience in telecom sector, and in Pune I am now, and totally concentrated on my job.
Okay.
So I never tried anything about business, and my family background and also my that all background is from service sector only.
Yeah.
So, but now I want to diversify myself. So I am gaining knowledge from you. Actually, I got very good that group where I can listen, and I am acquiring knowledge. And after some my 2, 3, or 5 year, I want to diversify myself. But in past also, I tried to switch in different field, but I failed.
Okay.
So I lose my that you can say
Interest.
daring to switch to leave my core domain.
Okay.
So I cannot leave my core domain field. So my strength is in this ENTC, electronics and telecommunication field. So whenever I try to diversify myself, I try to leave my this field and experiment to some other field. I always got I could not succeed in any other field. So just I am listening and I am getting knowledge from this group.
Sure. Yeah. Maybe we can talk to Yogesh. You have a family business, right? Yogesh, are you here? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
just asking, like general, your family business is in which sector?
Tile distribution in the construction sector.
Acha. So you are taking a franchisee from someone, is it?
Yes.
Okay. So anyway, I mean, like the one I was talking about, right? That like having multiple product under same logo. Do you have any comment regarding that? Let's say like Oyo versus WeWork, जहाँ पे WeWork had only one product where Oyo diversified. So chances of failure might be lesser for Oyo, like all products at the same time. Whereas WeWork का एक झटके में ही मतलब co-working की वजह से थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो गया. You have any comment?
बिल्कुल ये था जैसे ओयो के पास डाइवर्सिफाइड प्रोडक्ट थे तो उसका ये था कि एक कॉन्सेप्ट में अगर वो लैग कर रहा है तो दूसरा उसको कंपनसेट कर सकता था, जबकि वीवर्क में था वो एक ही तरफ फोकस था. तो मार्केट अगर सपोर्ट करता है तो ऊपर जा रहा है, नहीं सपोर्ट करता है तो वो चांसेस उसके कम थे. तो प्रोडक्ट रेंज का ये तो फायदा मिलता ही है कि एक अगर अच्छा परफॉर्म करता है तो दूसरा अगर नीचे जा भी रहा है तो उससे इतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, तो एक दूसरे को बैलेंस कर सकते हैं. बस यही था कि वीवर्क के पास ये प्रोडक्ट रेंज का नहीं रह पाया, मतलब मेन उनका यही था लीजिंग का जो दिक्कत थी, रेंटिंग और लीजिंग की. तो उसके बाद और वो नए कुछ आइडियाज नहीं लेके आया इसी में कि कुछ और ऐड कर सकता था, वो चीज नहीं कर पाया वीवर्क. तो ये उसका था.
Sure. WeWork, I think in India is at like metros, some of the metros only, not all. Ravi, I think you might know better maybe. WeWork India में I think.
Yes, Vishal. Yeah, they are into metros right now.
Metros only, right?
Yes.
They haven't reached tier 2 or 3.
Yes, but they have a good share in India. I think leading share in India.
Yeah.
WeWork as of now. In Bangalore, they have a lot of these buildings. I think more than 15, 20.
And I think people who work in WeWork feel, I don't know, like Apple kind of feeling, right? I think you have been to WeWork office, and Atul sir has also been. We can share
I
some
have worked for WeWork.
Oh, you work? Okay.
Yes. So
how
we
is the
have
work
done
culture
that.
and all?
No, not about work culture. I have like done the building automation for their company.
Oh,
So I have
okay.
done 2 buildings of WeWork. Okay.
Achha.
So see, basically this model, why I will give a little brief about the co-working models which is there. Okay.
Yeah.
As of now, for last 5 years, this company itself, this industry itself is growing at 200% rate, co-working space. That is why there are a lot of co-workings now coming in. Almost all the builders who have a building open for going to lease it to some company or rental, they are getting into this co-working space.
Correct.
Because I am doing a lot of projects in co-working right now. Almost in last 2.5 years, I have done almost more than 10, 15 co-working space.
So you're selling building automation product to.
Yes. So a second point is like almost all the architect right now in Bangalore or Mumbai, they are all together with one division in co-working. So they have opened up one division for co-working. Yes.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are seeing it as an opportunity. Like Atul sir भी बोल रहे थे ना कि बहुत सारी कंपनी है, एक फ्लोर खाली है. मेरी पिछली कंपनी में ही हो गया था.
In Bangalore itself, I'll say there are almost not less than 35 to 40 co-working companies are there.
Correct.
Who
Yeah,
have
and this is economical also.
Yes. So how this model is? See, there are 2 people who come together. One is the one who wants to properly function it out, and second is the builder. Okay. So builder who is ready to lease his building for, let's say, 15 years or 20 years, the mutual benefit is like I will draw the benefit and I will share with you, and you also will draw the benefit by getting continuous tractions in terms of. But this will only be benefited in long run, not in short run, because the kind of investment initially required and the size of business happens over a year is a part of it. It will take a time to realize the money or break even point. It takes time to reach break even point even. Yeah. So there is 3 basic models which is followed in co-working. One, a seat, we call it as a hot seat. So anybody, let's say you are there in Kolkata, tomorrow you want to come and interact with few people in Bangalore. Then either you can interact in some, let's say earlier it used to be in a CCD or maybe in reception at hotels. Okay. But now you got a chance to, you can book one seat in one of the co-work and you can call all people over there and just paying 6,000-7,000 rupees. And you can have a feeling of like interacting in an office itself. One. Second, like tomorrow you decided to open a branch in Mumbai. Okay. And you have 4 people initially. So for them, you don't want to hire a complete office or building. So you take 4 seats in co-working space and you pay them monthly, and then your people can access everything as a full-fledged office could have, like a chair, table, AC, fan, printers, internet, Wi-Fi, canteen facility, everything. And moreover, it's a third thing is the culture. Like see, on first floor, some other companies working, in second floor, in the same floor, there are a lot of companies who are working together. So there are a lot of interactions happening between each other. So it is same like a market itself. Like if somebody who is doing into networking and I am there into some IT field, so I can interact my product with them very net to net, and then we can share the resources or we can share the input in terms of getting the business.
Correct.
And third model which is followed on as of, you can take a complete floor and just pay the rent, rest and everything will be taken care by the who is maintaining the co-working space. So that company will maintain your everything and you need to bother about anything. Just you pay the rent, that's all. How we do in PG. Yeah, I'm just paying the rents, my food, my beddings, everything taken care by the PG owner, and I just pay the rent. So this is same of that model.
एक चीज और है, I think Ravi can comment and Mr. Atul can also comment. WeWork का standard wise, is any other co-working better than WeWork or like at par? What do you think about the standards, like the experience wise?
There are 3-4 things which is there in same segments with a little bit of different USP. Like WeWork, it is completely offering 3 kinds of set of offer. Like one, you can work individually, you can work as a group of people, or you can work as a floor wise. Now there is a workshala. Then there is a work on in the same segments in Bangalore. Okay. Now there's
Regus?
Workshala.
And there's one company called Regus also, right?
Yes, Regus is also there. Yes.
Yeah.
Regus is also there.
Yeah.
Then there a company called Nesta Vera.
Mhm.
It's under umbrella of Avenue 360. Avenue 360 is a real estate company. So under that umbrella, this Nesta Vera is a brand which is into co-working space. So what they do exactly, like they connect with the company who wants to like open their office. So they will provide that space and they will make that office itself, and then they will give it to you.
Mhm.
Yes, and on the monthly they will charge.
But like quality wise, मतलब same ही है सारे.
Yes, all are same. All are same.
Rent wise, like money wise, what they charge?
No, money wise all are not same. Money wise they differ.
Okay. Because WeWork, what I also know is you can buy a membership and you can work anywhere with that points and all.
With that
So
points, yes,
Uh-huh.
yes, it is there.
I think that's not allowed. Maybe if it's all other co-working, maybe I'm not sure. Yes, Atul, sir.
So one example I would like to give, I've used that also. यहाँ पे San Jose में there is a place called Spaces. So Spaces is also like a co-working space, very nice place. किसी meeting conference वगैरह में I think I attended that. And Hyderabad में and many other places, Delhi, Bombay वगैरह में भी, many of these startup की जो the type of business I am into की startup के connector of startups and investors. So it's a TIE है. So TIE, the Indus Entrepreneurs, is one of the largest entrepreneurship community in the world. But TIE के पास क्या है? TIE का जो office है, that also the startups can rent from them, rent or lease from them. Similarly, many other Hyderabad में है कि क्या नाम है? Hub, I forgot the name. T-Hub. So this T-Hubs type of thing, TIE type of things, and they have these similar startup hubs have started coming in all major cities. Bangalore has too many of them. Bombay has many of them. So these are all localized hubs. And as earlier Ravi was saying, that is rather than having this whole WeWork model, a group of companies together, उन्होंने कहा कि चलो मिल बांट कर हम लोग साथ में let's buy this building or erect this building or lease out this building. So 4 or 5 companies together, they are all in the same campus. So they all have a lot of shared advantages. Restroom share हो गया, उनका जो outer space होता है या parking space, a lot of shared. तो shared office का concept काफी popular हो गया है. WeWork was the big first large mass level ka model, but similar concept, I think that's going to stay. That companies will come out of that model ki we have to build our own exclusive big campus. That's more of an ego thing. Ki Google and Microsoft and Facebook would like to have a big grand building, bada sa signboard and all of that. But most of the companies in between, mid-level companies and the small startups, they'll rather go to have shared space. Ki एक ही building में different floors पे different signboards लगे हुए हैं. Yeah, within the same floor also there are multiple people, just people having 3-4 rooms they're taking, sometimes even one room. So that model I think is going to be there for a long time. क्योंकि उसमें that model makes sense. You only use the space which you need. I mean, as for office, what you have is an office address and a prime location. So if you want to have an office address, a very, very prime location, be it Bombay के let's say विले पार्ले में या जो प्रोजेक्ट है या दिल्ली के MCP के पास लेना चाहते हैं या बैंगलोर में भी ब्रिगेड रोड पे any prominent place, तो all those places buying an office is tough. Even leasing a whole campus building is tough, but you can always lease a floor. You can lease a one room or 2 room in that floor. That is the model I think which will have. And the real estate companies, they will also start designing their buildings in that way so that people can easily divide it into multiple tenants, multi-tenancy. Just technology mein there's a very popular word called multi-tenancy. In the same cloud, multiple different companies data is being hosted. Yahan pe similarly in the real estate world, multi-tenancy is going to be very, very popular in my view.
Yes. Yeah, and we might also see some kind of co-working school format, school college format. And I see in Kolkata also one of the place they just let.
So Vishal, on that you're bringing, so that is another big thing is happening.
Yeah.
Like anytime you are trying to organize a big event or something, so you need space. So you need ज़्यादातर जो यहाँ पे US में तो सब schools के पास सबसे ज़्यादा they have the schools and libraries. They have a large building, campus, even playing ground, everything else. So schools and libraries and universities, they are also entering that market. Most of the universities were challenged, or many of the schools were challenged. They are renting out their school after school hours, holidays, and sometimes even otherwise. And this is applicable for both schools as well as colleges, universities. If they want to use their, उन्होंने काफी बड़े अच्छे जगह पे campus बना लिया, building बना लिया. Now they want to use that, because after the school is closed or the college is closed, khali building is remaining idle. So they have this model of how to they have the rates कि कितने में उनका वो school या college available होता है, but that's another competitor to WeWork type businesses.
So that can actually, I mean, not wipe, I should say, I mean, reduce that WeWork wala business, especially if it's on the luxury side and a bit expensive, because maybe the schools and colleges can give it at a fraction of cost, right? And once they realize कि ऑफिस भी दे सकते हैं, उनके पास तो भरा पड़ा है जगह, वो ऑफिस में एक रूम ऐसे ही निकाल देंगे, हाँ चलो कोवर्किंग इंक्यूबेशन, आई थिंक दैट इंक्यूबेशन इज वन hidden co-working kind of space with additional facilities also. So those things have already started coming in. ये चीज है, ठीक है. Anybody has any comment, other comment questions, or we can maybe finish? We can maybe think of a topic for tomorrow. What topic shall we keep for tomorrow? We can maybe take a feedback. अभी कुछ लोग ही हैं. कोई टॉपिक आपके माइंड में आ रहा है? Yes, Mr. Ravi, बताइए.
We can take up as a co-working itself a topic.
Co-working. Co-working business model.
Business model.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think we can make it very co-working, co-living, shared space model. Like, क्या होगा
Could be. Yes.
Offices
Because,
as well as
because these two divisions of business which is getting a lot of tractions right now.
Yeah.
And another
at least
related
before.
Topic. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. At least
related
before.
Topic.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, sir. You can go ahead.
Yes, Mr. Ravi.
You
can finish first.
So I was thinking, like, before this lockdown, these two which was growing like anything in the markets, especially in metro cities.
This might grow later also. It's the full-fledged office building that might see a bit of a decline.
Yes.
This might see decline, but lesser decline. We don't know. So बाहर डिस्कस करते हैं कल. ये सब तुमसे बोलिए.
हाँ, तो इस पे क्या है कि एक सिमिलर मॉडल है जो कि जिसका कि मैं यूजर रहा हूँ. आई यूज्ड टू लिव इन न्यूपोर्ट जर्सी सिटी. तो आफ्टर 9/11 ऑल द इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक्स, गोल्डमैन सैक्स, जेपी मॉर्गन, सिटी बैंक, सबने अपने ऑफिसेस मैनहट्टन के वॉल स्ट्रीट से जहाँ पे 9/11 जहाँ हुआ, उन्होंने जर्सी सिटी में मूव कर दिया. उस एरिया को न्यूपोर्ट बोलते हैं. दे एडवर्टाइज द लार्जेस्ट और मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल community where they have huge towers for offices and they also have huge residential towers. So ये दोनों का बल्ले हो गया कि आपको घर से निकलना है और ऑफिस वॉक कर लेना है. तो आप अपार्टमेंट के बगल में घर. बैंगलोर में, बॉम्बे में भी काफी पॉपुलर है, आई थिंक ज्यादा मेट्रोज में, कि पीपल डोंट वांट टू कम्यूट फॉर 1 hour 2 hour जो था. तो जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज भी, दे आल्सो ट्राइंग टू हैव co-living living spaces. They want to also have some residential apartment towers, whatever. So residential or commercial, दोनों साथ, and that is a win-win for both parties.
Like a campus.
कैंपस टाइप का. जैसे मान लीजिए कि इन्फोसिस का बहुत बड़ा कैंपस है, उसी कैंपस में इन्फोसिस ने रहने के लिए भी दे दिया, तो दोनों का काम है. एम्प्लॉय भी आपका 24/7 आपकी कंपनी में ही रह रहा है, और एम्प्लॉय को भी ट्रैवल कम्यूट का खर्च बच गया. तो दैट co-living, co-working together, I think maybe a topic.
Yes, that can be the topic. Yeah, co-living, co-working, past, present, future kind of. Okay, ठीक है. We'll end the discussion for today. Thank you everyone. Good night. We'll meet tomorrow 10.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.